In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Wise. This is a quick and simple update that makes the app more comfortable to use in the language you prefer, and you can switch back anytime. We'll do everything right inside the Wise mobile app, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Wise app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and your app is up to date so the menus look the same as what you see here. From the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap the profile icon. Depending on your device, it may look like your initials or a small person silhouette. This opens your account profile and settings, which is where Wise keeps options that affect how the app looks and behaves. Once you're in your profile, scroll down, you're looking for a section called Language and Appearance. This area is designed for visual preferences, things like app language, and in some cases, display themes. So it's the right place to make the switch. When you see Language and Appearance, go ahead and tap it to open the detailed options. Inside, tap on Language. This brings up the list of languages supported by Wise for the app interface. You'll see languages displayed in their native names, which makes it easier to identify the one you want, even if your current language is different. Keep in mind, changing this setting only affects the app's menus, buttons, and messages. It won't change your account's currencies, card settings, or the language others see when you send money. It's purely for your own interface. Now select the language you want to use. As soon as you tap your choice, the app typically updates the interface almost instantly. You might notice some screens refresh as a new language is applied. If it takes a moment, that's normal. Just stay on the screen and let the app complete the change. After it updates, navigate around the app to confirm everything looks right. Your home screen, notifications, and settings labels should all reflect the new language. If you don't see the Language and Appearance option or the profile icon looks different, it can be due to an older app version or a minor layout change on your device. Updating the app usually brings everything back in line. And remember, you can return to this same setting anytime to switch language again. That's all it takes to change the language on Wise. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using the app in the language that suits you best.